Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All of you asked me to do a DIY. Actually, I did this DIY quite some time ago and I was just not sure whether it looked the way that I really wanted it to look, if it still needed some work. And I mean, it's 2 months later and I'm still loving it. And when I realized everyone would love to see a DIY, I also remembered filming it the day I made it. So this is the marble hall behind me. I basically made the wall solid white and then I just went in with a feather and I basically just created these what's supposed to be making the marble, but these little cracks in the wall. I then went over it with a white coat of paint. I'm just going to show you guys how I got to this. There is quite a few techniques, and one of them would be not to put too much water. One of them would be to not put too many layers of white afterwards. But I only realized last night when I watched another YouTube video, I'll insert the picture of it, that my hall looks very similar to it. So I've got nothing to be worried about. Actually, my friend Alison Fondling, she motivated me to do it. I told her during lockdown, I so badly want to do a marble hall. And after like weeks and weeks, I eventually decided to do it, and then I still felt it's not the way I wanted. But I think it's because marble comes with a whole lot of imperfections, and the perfectionist in me is not helping the situation. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to give it a like or a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy. Hello, it's another vlog. It's another DIY vlog. We need to make this uniform, this pajamas, the DIY pajamas, because when I wear it, I for some reason feel extremely motivated. Looking a bit crusty because it's extremely early. Extremely early meaning it's probably 12 o'clock now. The kids are not here. We are setting up this space because it's echoing a lot because it's quite empty. The factory moved here, so we are setting up the space. My idea with the space is I wanted it to be like a girly space, like very pink and very like girly, like blingy, gold and all of that. And then I had this mature awakening and I just thought, you know what, go with grays, go with greenery, which is life, you know, something that motivates you. Like the workspace should be motivating and inviting and inspiring. So by saying that, I decided to make this a marble wall. Now, I initially wanted to do like the marble wallpaper, and then I came across a YouTube video of someone that actually made a marble countertop. But the difference is they had it was obviously, they spattered it on. This is going to be different. I'll also link that video below in case you want some inspiration. But for now, Yusuf made my canvas, which is a white. Initially, the color of the room before this was like a beigey color. I can still see it there because we just made this section. But you guys know the situation. We mixed it with this. So the room is going to have a bit of gold accents. And as a gold accents, I really just mean that it's going to have, like you guys know, we have the gold rail. We're going to have bits of gold. I'm not going to do a lot of gold because I really want to have a lot more greenery, a lot more, you know, grays and things. And also none of my, I'm a grey lover, and you know, if you watch my video of our previous home tour, you would remember that it was mostly grey. So yeah, so it's so exciting to also now have a grey room in our house. So I'm just mixing this up. Apparently I need a feather, and I came across this. This is the only feather I have. I'm cutting this off, and apparently you have to dip it in there, tab it on the wall, and then use a wet brush to like kind of like not separate it, but kind of like dissolve it into the wall, if that is the right term to use. Guys, I actually do not know what I'm about to do, but what I do know is I'm going to start in the corner, so if I mess up, I'll be able to practice my way up. So I'm only going to show you once I've mastered it, and the only reason for that is because I don't want to waste your time on this video with all my mistakes, and then eventually you will, yeah. But anyway, so I am gonna, wait quickly, I'm using this as gold accents to just like my bob. Let's just see how it goes. I sound like, it sounds so good. Let's just see how it goes. I hope our feather is doing it right. I don't think this is the feather you should be using. There's another feather I'm gonna try which I think will work, but it's worth giving it a try. The thing about marble is there's a lot of imperfections. That's so good because we can just like make it work for ourselves, right? But let's just see how it goes. I'm having too much fun. I'm already like, this is too much fun. So apparently I have to take this, it's a wet, what is this, wet brush, and I must do that. Feather now because that one works, but I'll use that one like for the bigger veins I want. And in this one I just want to see something quickly. Definitely, look there, definitely not the first one. Okay, so let's finish this. Excited. And then I just go in with a, okay, I need a bit more water because I think I need more water. Let's see how it works if I get a bit more. I'm adding a bit more water, and I don't think you should add too much water. I think it was far the way I initially added because it became too runny. So rather just stick to it being damp and not runny, and it gives you that effect. And you see what it does if you have too much water. Bring you closer. It does that. Like it takes it out too far. You don't want that. You want that. So basically, I think you can already see the marble behind me. So yes, you can. Silly. So I am just busy looking. Let me turn this. Ah! Ouch! Hey now. Ah. So no, it's fine. I'm fine. So I'm just busy looking. Let me move you backwards. So that is currently, the machine is in the way already. Let me move you that way rather. There you have a way better view. So basically, there we go. So basically, from what you guys are seeing, guys, I literally have how many hours to set up this space? Like, I need to be so quick. So what I am going to do now is I'm just checking where there is some imperfections, right? The thing with marble, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just going to check where I can like maneuver a bit. So like for now, I think it's fine because it's a bit too much. But now what I'm going to do is I just want like one small little dot or something just there on top. And then I'm gonna, because it's a bit too marbly, like it's too dark on the white, if you know what I mean. Like it's supposed to almost be blended in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this white brush that Yusuf's been using, and then I'm just gonna like quickly check what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna like, can you see what it's doing? It's kind of just fading it, but it's not taking it away, and it still has the whole marble effect. So let me just show you quickly. So I'm just gonna do, I'm actually just using a white brush to go over it. So with the white brush going over it, it kind of just, you know, absorbs it a bit more. But I'm going to wait till it's dry, because I saw now with this one I just did, it just smudged the grey all over the place. But guys, we are doing so well, so well. So I'm actually going to show you guys the full on haul when it's done. So yeah, let's wait a few minutes for it to dry, and then I will come back and put the white light coat on just over the little veins. Okay, so it's been about, I think, 20 minutes. I am gonna take a light coat of white, just to like soften the veins up a bit. Let's see how it goes on the first one. Let's quickly see it together. There we go. So that is what we want. That is perfect. That is what we want. This one here, this one here is 2 coats in the white compared to this that's white. Do you think I should do 1 or 2?
1 because it's still going to dry.
Oh, wait a minute, it's not going. Okay, cool. So we're only going to do 1. Cool. One there is way more darker than the others, so that one I'm definitely doing like with 2 light colors. But so far it's good. I'm just going to apply this to everything on the wall. When I'm done with that, we're going to finish it up, and then I'm going to do that section. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you that section today, because there's quite a lot of things I want to do there, like handles, baskets and all of that. But it's a little kitchen area in this massive space where they're going to work in. And I want to make it nice. I think that's going to be a different video.